Good morning, and actually, it is morning now. It is your good friend North Sentinel Island, and we're going through more scary code. And as we see here, we're in county comparison. County comparison. That's this one. I don't know if we had this one over. That's number 2, which is, it's the next one. So I think this is basically good. Eat. $50, we did this last time. And see what we get for being a drug kingpin. Never, it's not federal. This is just state stuff now. I mean, we could always scrape federal crap later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good. And yeah, Union's bottom. The wing leading vehicle accident. But I didn't click that one. What the? Oh yeah, this. Yeah, we already have that as part of the inadequacies. So we don't have to worry about that. Certain people not to have weapons. What the f... Yeah, this isn't good at all. Alright, so we have a minor issue. County comp. You're all fucked up. You're fucked up in that you're returning something but we don't want you to return. So let's figure out what this problem is. And just alter it on the back end. It's probably just going to be easier at this point. And county comparison right over here. Figure what the name of your thunk is. This is what happens when you don't plan anything. Fetch county crimes county comparison. Good. This is what happens when you don't plan anything and you ignore a project for a year, then you show back up with the project, and you kind of just realized why you abandoned the project, because it wasn't necessarily terrible. It's just kind of like, if you don't plan it well and it turns to shit, it makes sense just to drop what you're doing and get a real job. Not necessarily get a real job, but it's just do something else. Search county judges for crime, that's not it. Search county comparison. This is it. Alright, so let's figure out what the hell are we doing wrong. And let's just load up Postman. Is Postman good? Yeah. If we just need to play with it, we can. Okay, offense. That part's good. Now we get in this. Total crimes equals query. Oh wow. Res.json total crimes for query. Res.json total crimes. Okay, that part's good. So we do that. We do that. We do that. Aggravated assault caused significant bodily injury. Actually, no. Yeah. Aggravated assault attempt caused serious bodily injury. Aggravated assault. And we got 20 of them. Yes. Okay, so this part is good. It seems. Search for crimes and county crimes. Alright, I'm fucking something up here, so let's just go here. Now, why is it working? We have that listed. Let's just do this again with some other crime. Yeah, see, now it's all fucked up. County comps by. Okay. So county comp is fine. Basically, I just feel like in this situation, we're just flipping these around. We're just getting county comps by counties. Well, should do that. It's too early sometimes to think. So we just go up here, figure out what we're doing. Kind of good. Good. Okay, good. Okay, sometimes these work, sometimes they don't. That just seems to be the theme of this. Yeah, manufacturer. Yeah, it's just when it's loading, it's trying the wrong thing. And this thunk is... Looks good. It's a pain in the ass to do this on one monitor. Where is this thunk? Fetch crime in several counties thunk. Fetch crime in several counties thunk. We have to look at county comparison select ID. County comparison select ID. This one. This is your frickin' problem. If we could fix this, it will be great. rec.params.id. The problem is that here, we get an ID, and the ID for this is obviously different than this. So we just need to search by offense, I think. So we just need to plug it. So we really just need to get rid of this. We're not going to get rid of it. What does add up? Where thing. ID to crime equals crimes.find by PK. Total crime attributes. And let's comment this out for time being so it doesn't yell at me. Okay, yeah. Okay, so but we had this as a capital. That's great. Okay. Can't ID the crime object. What the hell's going on outside? Trump going to arrest me? I don't know. And at this point in my life, I don't care. Oh, I see this. This is just... There we go. That's quite embarrassing. And undo you for the time being. Undo that. I want this comment. Change you to offense. Find all. Good. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Where is offense? Basically, in this case, we're doing a find all, so it's just going to get like each offense for each county. So we should be able to at least get a bunch of stuff that we need. County crime attributes. Crime object. Okay, so we already did this, it seems. Okay, ID the crime object. Okay, we're turning this into that. So this is the exact same thing, except for just, well, flipping it around a bit, I think. Get county crimes. Crime object. Now let's get rid of you. Get county crimes. Getting confused this morning. Get plain true. Scary string equals crime object dot offense. Good, good. County return reference to scary string attributes. No, we don't need a second one. County return list. Yeah, we don't need get county crimes. Good, good. I think this should work. So let's just go back. It's always good if this thing just doesn't break on me, which is always a plus. Here, let's get rid of you. $25. Okay, yeah, this is just part one. Murder. Okay, so that worked. During commission of. So we got 5. We got 5. We just have to do disorganize a hard refresh on that. Change over there. Just to whip out the state. During robbery. Okay, so I think it works now. Even though I don't really feel like I don't know what I did. How did I change with this code? Okay, yeah. Still don't know what I did. Okay, yeah, I just switched county crimes. Yeah, I see what I did. I switched out the crimes. We got this, and now instead of just using the ID, okay, it makes sense now what I did. Sometimes it's kind of like if you don't really know what you do. Well, I know what I'm doing, but sometimes you work on autopilot. Okay, good. I believe we got this to work. Good, so let's just do that. Let's go back to this county part 2. Good. Cumberland, Essex, Mercer, compare. Good. This just looks weird. That could always be fixed up. So we got the 3 that we wanted. We're ignoring the ones that we don't want. So let's just populate this data. Average incarceration year. Well, that doesn't work. Incarceration year. County dot super length. Total cases year. You do that. Good. Yep, it's working. Max sentence year. Anything else? I don't know what else to. Sentence year. I mean, these are just the. They're kind of big. Thinking maybe instead of just column it's rows, then you just make them smaller, then we just wrap it around. So it'll be like little boxes. And the second one, oh, just one sentence, so it's null. I'll just fine tune that later. Name it's blank. It's not that big of a deal. It's just something to wrap around the end. Main goal for debugging is, well, debugging. Making it look nice is something you can always do later on. Okay, and we don't have any use states yet. Yep, here they are. So compare array. And yep. Create output. Steep. There we go. And here we go. And scroll down. Do all this crap again. This stuff we don't need. Compared equals true and we do view. Compare equals true and it's a miracle. Good. Why do we have two of them? Oh yeah, it's not going to let me to have two of them. You know that. And following this by, I think yeah, I only did this once before. I think it's just, you have to use these little things at the end too. Just don't even know what that kind of means. So we have to get rid of you. We have to go down. There. That. See what this looks like. What do you want now? Alt-Shift F. What are you angry about? This is just all wrapped in its own little thing. That's right. I'm just gonna have it just write code for me. And present time. Jail time. That's what it is. Let's see what we do. Ew. I mean, if it wants, okay, so it is true and okay, so it's reading that correctly. Let's see if this can. Okay. Yeah, it's giving me the whole code here. really like this because it explains it better. But here, this is the lazy one because, well, I just have to copy and paste this once. And yeah, I'm gonna select with this one low just because I think it's better off in the long run. Because here I actually feel like I learned something. Compare his present time. Okay, and first of all, let's just clear this out. And you're absolutely right, I am missing an ampersand. And that is going to flip things out. And I should just listen to the error, and I wouldn't have had that issue. Boom, boom. So let's just, there. Good. Good. Beautify this. Compare. Alright, good. You have a reset button. Oh, I had a reset button. Never mind. It's just ugly over there. Okay, so this looks good. So let's just add my buttons. It's not going to be this one. Or do I have another one that's looking at buttons? It's like you always have, I don't know, I feel like every single one of these has buttons, but apparently they don't, you know? Nope, these are not the buttons I want. Buttons, they're just not the buttons I want. Yep, we got React output. So if we have a React output, we usually have these buttons. Worst comes to worst, we could. I see no reason why not to have two. I don't want it to be there. Let's just put it there. Alt-Shift-F. Alright, so this should hopefully populate. Yep, there they are. And we just have to, well, alter into new data. Jail time, county, average incarceration days. Days, total cases days. And jail time. And sentence days. Max sentence days. Standard deviation, standard sentence days. Down to probation, total probation cases, instances. I don't know why I did this, but for some reason I feel like changing a little is just easier if you just copy and pasting them all. At least they're like similar, but they're not so similar that you accidentally just copy and paste the same variables. I guess that's the way I was trying to say it. Standard deviation probation year. It's good in those months need to. I mean, when I script the final data, I'll just have the months roll over into the years. I mean, there's no point in doing that until this actually have the real data. It's just data. I mean, it's a trustless data. It's just screwy. Alright, yeah, if you abscond from parole, you should get jail time. And some get sentenced to time. Yeah, I mean, it depends, because sometimes, I mean, it depends where you're absconding from parole from in the first place. Good. Compare. Good. Good. Okay, so it works. Which is good. So let's just county part 2. Play a little with the CSS, at least make it look less rigmarole-y. County judge comparison judge item. Let's just make a new one. I mean, I like this county judge comparison judge item low. Something to build off of. Just search for it. I always forget you could do that. Yeah, I want you. I don't like this. Especially because I actually wrote this code. Had some small errors in it that they decided to, well, assert their authority by commenting every single one of these. Alright, so let's just make a new one. Last name, county comps by comparison div. Pile of gibberish, but it'll serve its duty just fine. And there, beautify that. And the angry red letters, I don't see any. 06, Camden, compare. Good. Good. Alright. So let's just fine tune this crap one. Order box, order radius, padding, center, width, 30 visual width, smaller, better, nicer. And yeah, I just want to get this to what the hell this is. Let's just have it help me out here. For this response. I mean, just overall, I'd rather it teach me. I'd rather it teach me something than, I mean, even if I have to copy and paste, like, otherwise I just feel like it's a situation where you're just using it to write code, which I don't think it's the best thing to do. I'd rather it. I mean, this is just, I pretty much just use this as a really easier way. It's 20 times easier than Stack Overflow. And at the same time, if it writes out a bunch of it for you, it saves you some time, that's also great. After all, being a software developer, it's 90% just looking up crap. It needs that code too. I think it's called like I know what this is. This. And I don't even have flex wrap. Yeah. Alright, let's just have a parent container and eat some humble pie. Ocean Div. Wait a minute. Do I already have one? Yeah, I already have one. Alright. Last name. Compify parentive. I know it's gonna have it all spelled out like that. I mean, if we have like a German theme for these classes, like a sub theme of German names, reminds me of this bigoted gibberish. And at least we don't have to make new divs. And it is 25%. And why was I highlighting those? Going insane. Dot blank. And let's just get rid of you and you and you. And make you display flex. Flex direction row. It's all those stuff that they wanted. Flex wrap. Oh! Okay. Flex wrap. That's it. Flex wrap. Am I going to remember that? No. Do I have to remember it? No, because, well, that's going to help me with that. Update. 10. You know what? 25% is fine. Yeah. Font size, that, in width. I like that. It's important to be civil. Yeah, happy coding. You always see happy coding. Alright, let's test this out. Call this episode to a close. Okay, this isn't that bad. This is weird, but we could always just shove that underneath it. Or put the button in its own div. But if we let's get all of them. No, let's get an odd number. Okay, this is good because this is the 4 version, this is the 3 version. And to be honest, I'm going with the 3 version. Just a little bit better. I mean, then if you have 7, like, it's not that big of a deal. Let's add Atlantic as well. I mean, this looks okay. I prefer this to having the 4 of them. It's easier to read. It's easier. I don't know. I prefer 3 to 4, I guess. Even though, to be honest, I don't know. It's going to the eye doctor. Is this better or worse? Actually, this is better. I'm gonna go with this. This is okay. Clear. Reset goes underneath. Just want to see where this reset button goes. And okay, so this button, it is still inside that, so we can flex direction. Flex direction column. Here's where we're gonna have this button div now. Make sure I don't break it. Yeah, we did break it, I think. Alright, so that doesn't work. I mean, this is underneath, but my best bet then is just to get rid of this reset button and just shove it all the way underneath here of these buttons. That's that. Get rid of these blank divs. There's no need for all the millions of new buttons. That is, well, don't repeat yourself. I mean, I've repeated myself millions of times in this, but it's better than it was. So let's just go with that. See what this looks like. It's right there. Might as well give you a new one. Should I just, I'll just share it. But part of me just thinks like the button should just look different. Like the reset button's different than all the other buttons. Actually, I don't like that. It looks different. Alright, we're getting somewhere. They just change it this way. This gets rid of it. Alright, for the time being, that looks good enough. Alright, so let's just go back to you. The second part, I'm considering done. I mean, spruced it up a little bit, but Not that bad. And it actually works, which is surprising. Alright, so seems like a good spot to end the episode, but at the same time, as we can see here, yeah, I mean, crime is working. I feel like at this point, crime details. Did I actually finish this? Yeah, nah, it's just this for the time being. We actually have to begin making stuff. Which is going to be fun, because now, officially, we're done. I'm going to officially declare... No, we have one more episode just to debug this stuff. And then we actually have to begin making stuff again. Which is going to be fun. Because at least we don't have to debug anymore. Alright, everybody. This is the end of the episode. This is North Sentinel Island, signing out.